Dealing with setbacks. Welcome to this session on dealing with setbacks in your mindfulness journey. Meditation is a skill that grows over time, but like any skill, there can be obstacles and setbacks. These moments are natural and can even offer opportunities for growth if approached mindfully. Reframe setbacks as learning opportunities. Setbacks can feel discouraging, but try to see them as valuable learning moments. Whether it's a missed session or struggling with focus, every setback can teach you something about your practice. Reflect on what might have led to the setback and approach it with curiosity instead of frustration. Embrace a non-judgmental attitude. Self-criticism is common when facing challenges, but in mindfulness we learn to be compassionate with ourselves. Accept that setbacks are part of the journey and let go of perfectionism. If you miss a day or have a difficult session, acknowledge it without judgment and return to your practice with kindness. Return to your intention. Reconnecting with your motivation or reason for practicing can reignite your dedication. Take a moment to remember why you started this journey. Whether it's for peace, balance, or personal growth, staying connected to this purpose can help you overcome challenges with renewed focus. Start small if necessary. If a setback has left you feeling disconnected, ease back into your practice gradually. Try a few minutes of mindful breathing or a short body scan. Starting small can rebuild your momentum and make the process feel less daunting. Conclusion. Setbacks are a natural part of developing any skill, including mindfulness. Approach each one with a compassionate attitude. See it as an opportunity to learn and remember that returning to practice is always more valuable than striving for perfection. Embrace each step of the journey, knowing that every experience strengthens your resilience.